I am going to show you how to fix the recording feature in GeForce Experience. The first method is to restart the services. Hit Windows and R on your keyboard. Type in services.msc. Go ahead and click OK. Once you're here, press N on your keyboard to find the nvidia services. As we can see, we have 3 nvidia services. Now the fix is to restart all 3 of them. So to restart, right-click on a service and then click restart. Now after that, you must restart the other services. Now if that doesn't work for you, you go to GeForce Experience, go to settings, check if your in-game overlay is on. Also, make sure you update your drivers. So go to drivers and then click check for updates. And it says that you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. If your problem is still occur, you must reinstall GeForce Experience. Now, if you followed all of these steps, you can go ahead and launch your game. Press Alt and Z on your keyboard, and the GeForce overlay must show. Click on record, click start, and then it will show that the recording has started.